Dinosaurs by Stephanie Turbo. Part 2. Dinosaur King. Tyrannosaurus was one of the biggest, most terrifying dinosaurs. It could have eaten you in one mouthful. Tyrannosaurus prowled through the forest. It rushed at victims with its enormous mouth wide open. It had about 50 long pointed teeth that could crunch bones. Tyrannosaurus was so fierce that no animal dared to steal its food. Tyrannosaurus was huge, but its arms were tiny. No one knows why they were so small. Sticking together. Many plant-eating dinosaurs lived in large groups or herds. They protected each other by looking out for enemies. These dinosaurs are Hadrosaurus. Some Hadrosaurus had big, hollow horns on their heads. Hadrosaurus could allow air up through their horn. This made a honking sound to warn other Hadrosaurus of danger. Herds of big dinosaurs probably left trampled trees and plants behind them. Stay away! Some dinosaurs have ways for protecting themselves from enemies. Euryalopsias had a heavy, bony club on its tail for swinging at enemies. It could also stab enemies with its long pointed horn. Its body was curved in hard plates that were too thick to bite through. A few dinosaurs had extra thick skulls to butt each other with them. Triceratops had a bony bill that made it look big and fierce. Eggs and babies! Baby dinosaurs hatched out of eggs. First, a mother dinosaur made a nest and laid about 20 eggs. Second, she covered the eggs with leaves to keep it warm. Third, a baby made a hole in its egg and wiggled out. Fourth, it left out of its nest and started looking for food. Some dinosaurs looked after their babies. They made sure that other dinosaurs didn't eat them. Dinosaur eggs could be small, round, or long, or thin. Where did they go? Dinosaurs lived for millions of years, but then they suddenly died out. No one is sure why. Many scientists think that a space rock crashed into Earth. The crush made the ground tremble and crack. Huge fires started, thus filled the air so that it was too dark and too cold for dinosaurs to live. Lots of volcanoes erupt. This killed off plants, so dinosaurs had nothing to eat. Some other animals didn't die. Perhaps they hid until it was safe to come out again. Buried bones! Scientists find dinosaur bones in the ground. The bones have turned to stone and are called fossils. First, a dinosaur died. Soon, only its skeleton was left. Second, it was covered in mud. Slowly, the mud turned into rock. After many years, the bones turned into fossils. Fourth, when the rock wears away, the fossils are left. This fossil hunter has discovered a foot of a huge Jabria dinosaur. He cleans soil off the bones with a brush. Dinosaur fossils are all found all the time. There might be some in the ground beneath you. Dino detectives. If scientists find out a lot of bones from one dinosaur, they try to put them together. They work out where each bone should go. It's like doing a giant jigsaw puzzle. Scientists used to think dinosaurs were tall with bent tails. Now they know that dinosaurs held their tails out of sight. This is a Triceratops. Its bones are held in place with neat rods. No one knows what dinosaur's skin looked like. Perhaps it was covered in spots or stripes. The end. Let me show you a pretend dinosaur fossil. Here's the steps to make it. Get some Play-Doh, get a plastic dinosaur, and put the toy dinosaur into the Play-Doh, and then wait for one night to make it dry.
Let's see.
And when you look around, you'll see dinosaur egg shaped like rods. Ooh.